Hey, welcome back to the Swim Doctor's office. Today, I'm going to be going over the difference between you teaching your child as a parent how to swim and having a professional swim instructor like myself teach your kid how to swim. So before I go into it, go follow me on Instagram. Right now I'm posting a lot of my stuff that I collect. So I've been posting a lot of my new pops that I've gotten. Super excited about. Go check that out. Swimology on Instagram. Check it out. And then subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment, leave a like. It helps me out, keeps me motivated, and keep leaving comments so then I can, make more videos on stuff that you guys want to see. What I'm going to get into is teaching your child how to swim has its benefits. One, you get to have that one-on-one with your child, and you get to have that connection and the little pat on the back that you taught them to swim yourself, which is always a nice thing. But on the other side, so from a professional swim instructor like myself, so far I've had over 8 years of experience teaching different types of kids how to swim. So not only that, but I've been swimming since I was about 2 years old, all by myself. I've gone through some lessons, I've done it, the whole thing, and I like to say I'm pretty good at swimming. So knowing how to swim correctly and then teaching someone how to swim using those skills is very beneficial, because then you'll be able to teach that kid how to swim the right way, obviously. Now, as for a parent, I'm going to say if you're teaching your kid how to swim, you most likely know how to swim yourself. I don't know your level of swimming, so I can't assume that you're a professional swimmer. Maybe you are a professional swimmer, and that's awesome. If you're a professional swimmer, you're teaching your kid how to swim, you're on the right track. So those are kind of some of the main differences between the two. If you're taking your kid to swim class with a professional swimmer, they're most likely going to know how to teach your kid in a way that they understand and know exactly what to correct with the child. Whereas if you swim kind of casually, you're pretty good at swimming. Even that's still different than teaching someone how to swim. It's taught me a few years, and I've been swimming, like I said, I've been swimming since I could swim, and it's taken me quite a few years of actually teaching kids how to swim or to notice things that I need to correct, and that takes a long time to figure out. So obviously having a swim instructor, a professional swim instructor, is going to help the child out the most, because we're going to know exactly what you need to correct. And as for the parent aspect of it, teaching your kid how to swim, if you're the parent, that's also really good too, because then you already have that connection. Whereas I have to, for a week or so, I have to go through the whole process of figuring out their personalities and what kind of style would best fit them so that they can learn faster. Whereas you as a parent already know them, so you're gonna know what works best for them and how they're gonna think and all that fun stuff. So you've got the easy job there. But yeah, there's different benefits for each. So what I would suggest is, at a young age, teaching your kid how to swim, getting the basics in there, and then eventually passing them on to a professional swim instructor. They're the fastest way possible. And if they're with you in the beginning, they're not going to be so scared when you take them to swim lessons. Every few weeks, back when I worked at the pool, we would have new students every few weeks, and there would always be at least one or two kids that just did not want to go in the water. So having that experience prior to bringing them to swim lessons is very beneficial, because as a swim instructor, and as good as I am with crying children, it's still pretty difficult, because you're with two other kids, and some of them really actually want to learn how to swim, and then you have a kid that's crying and screaming and doing all that fun stuff. And it does make it hard, especially for new instructors, to be able to control the whole class and make sure that everyone kind of gets equal chances learning how to swim. Okay, so come back to the swim doctor's office for more cures. Like I said, leave more comments down below so that I know what exactly you guys want to see in my next videos. And like I said, in the summer, I'm gonna find some clients that will let me record teaching lessons so I can actually show you step by step how to do some of the stuff that I'm telling you what to do. Yeah.